Do the watermelon. Do the watermelon crawl. The way you get out on your belly and you crawl through the weeds, go through the fence and get what you need. You take 'em and you put 'em in the back of a truck. You take 'em around and you make a buck. Do the watermelon crawl. Stealing watermelons. Damn shame, stealing watermelons. Do the watermelon crawl. Well, you go out in the fields around midnight, hoping ain't nobody seeing you and you're out of sight. Get down on your knees and crawl around. You find them big melons and you know you're going to town. Do the watermelon crawl. Roguish bastards, stealing watermelons, but do the watermelon crawl. Stealing watermelons. Well, you get about 20 and you know you got something. Sell them for $3. Ain't that nothing? Then you take them and you go around to the grocery store doing the watermelon crawl. Roguish bastards, watermelons. And you're stealing watermelons all night long. You're taking them to market before the sun comes around. Doing the watermelon crawl. You little roguish motherfuckers, watermelons. Stealing them all night long. Watermelons, taking them to town. People putting in orders cause they want them that bad. Watermelons make you happy, not sad. Doing the watermelon crawl. Roguish bastards. Stealing watermelons, putting them in the truck, taking them to town to make a buck. You get that money so you can have some fun, and you know you're gonna do the watermelon crawl. Roguish bastards, stealing melons. That's what you do, stealing melons.